We are going to end the introduction with a focus on learning. This course is not just about creating cool things, although you will create some pretty awesome stuff, trust me. A lot of awesome stuff is coming. However, it is about going through the process of learning various techniques and to be able to apply them to your own creativity. So please keep the following in mind during this course. Learn techniques and not tricks. There are an abundance of tricks in the world of Tableau to help you do different things. However, I'm concerned about you learning the actual techniques because that is what would help you create your own bespoke data visualizations. Question everything. Ask questions. Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this like that? Why are we not doing it this way? Question everything because that would reinforce your own understanding and learning. Do the additional exercises. Throughout this course, there are a lot of links to additional exercises that I would like you to do because these are there to help you reinforce your own knowledge and understanding. So please do the additional exercises. It is not a sprint. This is a marathon. Repetition is good. It's not just good, it is great. So repeat the lessons as often as you can, because I guarantee you each time you might pick up something different. Repeat the additional exercises time and time again. It will help you. Keep each lesson. I cannot emphasize this enough. I've been an instructor for over a decade. And if you just take bits and pieces from every lesson, you will gain. So from every lesson, there would always be an objective. Make sure you take the objective, you learn the objective of the class, and you keep it because it is yours. And lastly, Google is king. If you see a term, if you see a new function, if you see a new technique, feel free to go beyond this course and Google it. You might get a different opinion, you might get additional information. You might have someone explaining a concept in a way that makes more sense to you. Google as much as you can as well. If there's jargon that you don't know, I'm trying to use as little jargon as possible. Use Google and get into the habit of using Google. So, I just wanted to emphasize how much I want you to learn from this course. The techniques. I want you to create your own bespoke data visualizations. And by repeating the course, by doing the additional exercises, by Googling, by questioning everything, and by keeping something from each lesson, you will get there. And I cannot wait to see what you create. So with that said, look forward to seeing you in the next video.